Hi everyone, this is Brahmesh, and in this video we'll discuss about the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and USD INR weekly forecast. This week is only 4 trading days. 19th is a holiday on account of Guru Nanak Jayanti. So let's start. So first thing is on the astro sites we have these are the important dates which are happening today, important events. Sun is going square with Jupiter. Jupiter rules all the banking stocks. So basically now Bank Nifty can start seeing some traction, and Mercury also going square with Helio. I mean in Pluto in Helio, which is from the heliocentric side. Basically, we are looking from the sun side, so this is again an important event. And then Moon is going in declination. This is the most important event. This is the lunar cycle, which is very important. On weekend, we have this Bayes rule 5 Mercury retrograde zodiacal positions after 1 year. So last year when Mercury went retrograde, we are into the same zodiacal position, and this generally have a very good impact on the market. This generally is bullish. So probably as you can see, we are opening gap up today. So and this is Mercury went in opposition with Uranus. Uranus it brings short-term price changes. So like from last Thursday we were in a bearish trend, and this event happened on 13th, and you can see a 200 points rally and around 70 to 80 points today also we can see. So these are the important events we are which are taking place. Now let's quickly see, because these two are very important. Mercury Sun square Jupiter and Mercury square Pluto and Helio. I have drawn these charts here. Yeah, and now you can see here these two events, whenever they happen together, we tend to see a trending move. So you can see here these two lines are together, and from there we can see a very good trending move into the market. So whenever these two aspects which happens together, it happens very rarely, but whenever they happen, you tend to see a good trending move. I'm just giving you one more example. See, this happens within span of 2 days, and from there a good trending move on downside, then a big rally. So banking should be watched out very closely, and watch out for today's first 15 minutes high and low. Whichever side is breached, we can see a good move there. Secondly, what we can see here is this is the moon declination cycle. This is a very important short-term cycle. You can see here it made a top exactly on moon declination on 18. From there a good correction, then a small bottom. Now today again, watch out for the first 15 minutes, and whichever side is breached, you can take the trade, because 17th is very important astro date, which can cause some volatility, because there are some aspects which are happening with Mars, with moon and with an outer planet, and Mars creates a lot of volatility in the market. So probably today and tomorrow can be a little bit stable, less volatile, and from 17 the big volatility will start. Now let's look at the neural part also. So this is the neural analysis of Nifty. As you can see here, it says like we can see a bottom on 15, I mean a rally on 15, it can last till 16th, 1 day rally, then a fall. From 17th we can see some good move till 22nd. And let me quickly show you for Bank Nifty also. So for Bank Nifty, it is showing like the fall can continue all the way towards 17, a small dip, and then again a fall. Bank Nifty is looking weaker of the pack. So probably till Bank Nifty doesn't close above 39, 165 to 200 range. And best is to close about 39,304. Then only we can see a good rally. Otherwise, it will remain kind of range bound to bearish side only. And let's look at the levels also, which I'm watching out for. So Nifty, I'm watching out for 18,205, and these are the levels on upside. These are all spot levels for Bank Nifty 38,225. These are the levels, all spot levels. Weekly trend chain level for USD INR is 74.47. The IPO flows have slowed down, so USD INR should see some pop up. The dollar index is at long all-time high. So, generally it has some negative inkling on USD INR. Traders who trade GBP INR, they have to be cautious, because I see a move of 1 rupee in that very easily now. It is highly oversold. It has bounced from an important support level. So we can see like a move towards 180 to 101. It is around 100 now. So yeah, these are the levels which I'm watching for. These are very important astro events, and let me quickly show you about some important levels also, like I've shown you. So 18104, till this is held, you should have bullish bets till 18374 is made, and above that 18646, which is the all-time high. Below 18104, it is prudent to sell for 17836. Similarly, let me show you about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if I have to take a top in Bank Nifty because it is falling heavily. Yep. So for Bank Nifty, you can see here 39015. If this is breached, then 39304 to 411 and 809. On downside below 38621, back to 38229 and 37839. There is a bearish ABCD pattern also in Bank Nifty. So once this low of 38,346 is breached, we can see a fall all the way towards 37,500. It should be a quick fall. So that's about it. Thank you very much, and I wish you guys all the best. Thank you.